Flawless Kings Entertainment, Ghetto Rich Entertainment, Beast Boy Production, Team Good Money. Flawless Kings Entertainment, we them boys. Ghetto Rich Entertainment, we them boys. Beast Boy Production, we them boys. Team Good Money, nigga, we them boys. Flawless Kings Entertainment, we them boys. Ghetto Rich Entertainment, we them boys. Beast Boy Production, we them boys. Team Good Money, nigga, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. You tryna fuck with me cause my career deployed. You chasing ass, I'm chasing cash, man, that's my choice. All my G's, they move in silence while your gangsters making noise. I cannot focus on your comment, I just hop up on the remix. Every time you know I bomb it, and my lyrics getting sicker. Every night they have to vomit. I cannot see in my future, but I know it makes my palm itch. So I guess the future holds the money that I'm gon' get. If you try to stop me, step in my way, I will leave your bones split. These rappers acting hard when they are softer than the foam pit. Paparazzi ask me questions, am I on some Google Chrome shit? Hold my phone as I rejoice. I be getting Spanish girls, life in sports. Listen to the sound of my voice as I tell you, Flawless Kings Entertainment, we them boys. Ghetto Rich Entertainment, we them boys. Beast Boy Production, we them boys. Team Good Money, nigga, we them boys. Hold up, we making noise.
Tremaine Rico Brown.
We them boys, nigga, hold up. Ghetto Rich and Flawless Kings, two entertainers, man, we scroll up. Dragon fire, cause we hot, can't put us out. GRE, Flawless Kings, the money team is what I'm about.
That's what I'm about.
Hold up, I'm that nigga. Hold up, come snap a picture. We getting money like a stripper working at pole. I'm rich dollars with good money, man, that's word to Gary Cole. Flawless needs divinity like the Matrix need Trinity. And TRB's the black guy, the silver line of symmetry. Hold up, we some men, fuck them boys, that's the police. They clocked my moves like I'm Big Ben.
Free my niggas.
I got it, I got another hit. I'm the shit.
What's the smell?
Flawless, them Flawless Kings, cause I'm ghetto, get ghetto rich, nigga.
Ghetto Rich Entertainment, we them boys. Beast Boy Production, we them boys. Team Good Money, nigga, we them boys. Hold up,
Firebird speaking. Yes, bringing us back in shape. Ain't no time to deal with hate, but I'ma paint faces on you racist motherfuckers. Go again to win this race against you ugly lovers heavenly. They wanna bring us down, they wanna run us out of town, but guess what? I ain't never gonna give a fuck. Yes, the pain is brutal, no pain, no gain, don't stay at neutral. These demons wanna play with my mind, they make me act up and go crazy in time. That's some art shit, never grew patience towards my success. But I thank God to be this blessed. Yeah, we bring this building down. Wreck inspections, we them boys that run this town. Ain't no ever that was found that prevent us to be crowned. When the Firebird speaks, listen closely, his words ain't weak, just try to be me, Oh, thank you for listening. I cannot be nice to ya and I start this shit again. Face it, I'm too much for you to take in. I'ma make you haters cave in.
hold up, we making noise.
We them boys.
Alright, we already out here. We on the set, Times Square. 40 Deuce is what we do, baby. I'm out here with my man Flawless FND. We out here, we do what we do. We just shot this little video, you feel me? We shot this little piece. We out here, baby. This is straight New York shit, you hear me? This is what we do, baby. We out here, we gonna do what we do. I see y'all in the motherfucking rebound. We out here, baby. Show them lights, baby. Show them lights.
Turn up!
Some motherfucking concrete jungle, baby, where dreams is made of. You feel me? We gonna do what we do when we do what we do, baby. We out here.
Listen,
it's the team, baby.
Crown fried
Flawless
chicken.
FND, baby.
Crown
we out
fried
here. My
chicken.
man out here doing his do, baby. We out here. You gonna explode. You feel me?
We them
Behind
boys.
the scenes, baby. We them boys. Yeah.